Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, and especially down in Florida with that Hurricane Michael. Hope everyone's alright. Take shelter. Today we have a Amazon Prime unboxing. Oh yes. Here she is. And of course they got the turtles on this one. I still can't believe it. They changed. But I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't say where it's coming from, so we're about to open it up and see what it is. A lot of unboxings due today, so definitely stay tuned. I'll be on all night. Alright. What do we have here? Oh, alright, there's two in that one. Two separate. Yeah, that's separate. Alright, this is first coming from... I'm not actually sure. Doesn't say. But we have one of these, guys. Professional manual lemon squeezer. I do got lemon, so we're going to be squeezing the juice, buddy. Oh, yes. Should be easy to set up. More juice means less waste. Everybody likes juice now and then. So... we'll get the weeds and juice together. Here we go. Oh boy. A lot of goodies. Oh, drop you guys down. Oop. There she is. We got the juicer. Oh, look at that. I can knock somebody out with this. Nice weapon. You can see me. And you just stick the lemon in there and squeeze. Like that. If it's a large, I think. I do have a lemon. I'll be in the kitchen. I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to be doing some juicing. Oh, that works. I need bigger hands. Let's see if you guys can see it. There we go. Oh yeah, there she goes. Got it at the gym time. Here we go. So you guys can get one at a low cost. It comes out at the bottom like that. And in case I do have any discount codes, it'll be listed down below. Oh yeah, look at that. Pure lemon juice right here. The fresh of freshness. So I do believe it works with limes. So either or. That's what it looks like. Got a nice little indent. So really cool. Squeeze a little bit more out of it. Oh yeah. We got the juice. There you go. A little shot right there. Do body good. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, link is going to be down below. And if you guys want to get one of these at a low cost, this will be a nice little stocking stuffer for someone. So really cool. Came out pretty good. But this is large. I think they got the other sizes too. So check them out. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. See ya. Also, this is what it looks like when it's done. And there's a freshly squeezed lemon. So really cool. Easy to use. And that's it. Just got to show you that. Bada boom. Alright.